Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will be learning callback functions in JavaScript. I will cover 6 topics in this series. What is a callback function? Create a simple callback function, set timeout function, set interval function, callback with argument, and callback on text input. By the end of this course, you will be confident building programs using callback function. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created a playlist on my channel. They are organized by topics to help you find what you need easily. Check them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started with our first topic. What is a callback function? A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function, which is then called later during the execution of the program. It lets you execute code after a specific task is complete. For example, in JavaScript, you might use a callback to run code once data is fetched from a server. It helps in maintaining asynchronous tasks. Why use callback function? Handle asynchronous tasks. Callback functions are essential for tasks that take time, like fetching data from a server or waiting for a user's input. Instead of stopping everything, the program continues running and calls the function when the task is done, ensuring efficiency. Organize code. Instead of writing all the logic in one place, callbacks allows you to break the code into smaller, manageable pieces. This makes your code cleaner and easier to read. Control task order. Callbacks ensure that one task happens only after another is complete. For example, you can wait for a file to load before processing its content, avoiding errors caused by missing data. Enable reusability. You can pass different callback functions to perform different actions in the same process. This makes your code more flexible and adaptable to changing requirements. Event handling. Callbacks are perfect for handling events like button click, form submission, or animation. When an event occurs, the callback function tells the program what to do next. Improve user experience. By using callbacks, program remains responsive. For example, while waiting for data, users can still interact with other parts of the application. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a simple callback function. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.